The Institute for System Programming of the Russian Academy of Sciences. First Open Conference, December 1st and 2nd, 2016, Moscow. In 2016, the Institute for System Programming held its first open conference. The headquarters of the Russian Academy of Sciences hosted researchers, developers, and staff members of leading Russian and foreign companies. Participants were presented results from long-term research in the field of system programming. Included among the topics of the conference were software analysis and protection, undocumented feature detection, automated vulnerabilities detection, and big data management. At this very first conference, we are presenting around 15 different technologies, from basic research results to products already deployed at present and working in the industry. Among the industrial partners of the Institute are Samsung, RogueWave, Synchro, Huawei, Dell, Intel, Hewlett-Packard, Wimpelcom, Aviation Systems Research Institute, Swemel. Products from the Institute for System Programming are being used in Russia and abroad. For example, SVACE, a technology for source code defect detection. The SVACE analyzer is competing strongly with its best international counterparts. As our colleagues report, at the moment SVACE is used to check most software created by Samsung Electronics. Moreover, for most departments of the company, it's a required step. Talisman is a technology that helps us to get more real information on social network users and their attitudes. Social networks contain billions of accounts. Talisman is able to process big data fast and accurately, creating a full report on user activity within the network. We can also derive more detailed information, separate news from comments, and then enrich these texts in some way. We can collect them from different social networks, both Russian and English, from news sites, blogs, etc. The coverage is quite large. The Institute for System Programming is a steady supporter of open source philosophy. Most research in the Institute is based on open source software products. The Institute founded and has actively expanded the Russian software development community and users of the OpenFOAM package. It is an open platform for the solution of continuum mechanics problems.
And as we already know, some of the most creative minds and some of the most successful developers will work in academia or at the interface between academia and industry. What open source allows them to do is to produce their work and to deploy it directly with commercial users who have desperate needs to introduce their knowledge and expertise into their own product design.
The Institute for System Programming uses the MIPT model of education through research. Third-year students are involved in basic and applied world-class projects. By the end of training, they are already full-fledged professionals with extensive experience. Graduates from the Institute work for many leading domestic and international IT companies.
I think ISPRAS engineers are one of the best engineers in the world, I think.
It's a very big team that's being brought together. It's a great team that has survived a series of very difficult trials. It's a first-rate staff by world standards. Absolutely first-rate. The Institute's Open Research and Development Conference is going to be an annual event. It will be dedicated to the memory of scholar Viktor Ivannikov, founder of the Institute for System Programming of the Russian Academy of Sciences.